Hey guys, and happy Vlogmas. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa if this is your first time here. So as you can tell, I am in my PJs because it's super late at night. It's about 1:41 a.m. but I hadn't recorded an intro for my video. And today's video is going to be all about the behind the scenes look at a YouTube video. I'm going to be giving you guys like a kind of a background on how I get ready for beauty related videos, because that's just like the bulk of my channel. I'm gonna kind of be going through how I prepare, how I set up my camera, my lights, and everything like that. If you're interested in seeing some of the behind the scenes of a beauty YouTuber, go ahead and thumbs up this video if you haven't already. Subscribe to join the Vanessa Monet family, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright you guys, so this is where I'm going to be filming today. This is just like a corner in my bedroom. You guys know I've already shown you a video on this wall decor. I got these strips from Walls Need Love. If you want to see more info about the wall, I will link the video down below and I'll put a card up top. I also got this little dresser right here and my little setup situation. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start setting up the video. Here are my lights turned off. I have the two soft boxes from jet.com and a ring light from Amazon. I'm taking my camera lens and I'm switching it over to a 50mm lens before I go ahead and attach it to my tripod. From here, I'm going to set up my camera. I'm going to go ahead and put the external battery, which is important for making videos, you guys. You just need an external battery. It just helps so much. I then have an HDMI cord that goes from the computer to my camera, and I also have a microphone. The microphone is imperative to have, and this is what it looks like from behind the camera. I'm then getting a table. This is a makeup table, my chair for when I'm recording, and my computer. I use my computer as a monitor. I then sit down and make sure I'm in focus, make sure everything looks good on my end, and then I go ahead and work on my backdrop. I wanted to give it a more Christmas feel, so I'm adding some reindeer beer, which I made in another video, so check that out. And here are the lights turned on, and my camera in front of me. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. And then I have my reindeer beer in the back. I also have a few flowers and some Christmas decorations. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Right now, I'm kind of just curling my hair to prepare for the video. I'm just throwing a few wand curls in my hair. Nothing too serious. I'm going to be doing a sit-down video, just discussing some of my favorite beauty products from 2020. It's really not perfect, but it's just good enough. I have some flexi rods right here. I like to put these on my hair while I'm getting ready. I'll probably use about 5 of these, y'all. Not a lot. This probably took me like 10 minutes altogether to curl it and throw those flexi rods in it. Now I'm just kind of fixing my edges, ready to record. And usually around this time I start to get excited because I love recording tutorials. I love recording videos, creating content. It's just so much fun, y'all. I got my makeup here and everything like that as well. So I'm gonna take these out and then we'll get started. Now I have to figure out what type of top I'm going to wear. I have a few options that I kind of just put out either the night before a video just to cut time down. I really like this dress here. I got this really beautiful fur, pink fur from Crazy Boss, and this very beautiful vibrant pink sweater from Forever 21 men's section actually, and it's super comfortable and cute. And then of course for the holiday I have this really beautiful sparkly dress that I got from Zara. So I'm just gonna pick what I want and we'll see. Alright you guys, so here's a little bit of the behind the scenes. I have just went ahead and took my flexi rods out. I put on a little bit of makeup. There are my lights. My lights are on. I have my computer screen right here. I'm about to turn on my camera. So for the camera, I'll go ahead and turn it on. Alright. And when I turn it on, so now I'm looking at the live view of me right now. So I go to EOS Utility on Google, I search it up, I find my camera, and I go ahead and download the software. Once you do, it allows you to remote shoot and create your camera settings. So let's just kind of get into it. And right here is where I kind of set up my settings and things like that. All right, so now looking at myself, I can see that my backdrop is just lines right now, but I think I want to kind of zoom it out so you can see my little backdrop situation, which means I have to move my camera just a little bit back. So yeah, we're gonna do that real quick. So I really wasn't feeling how I was looking on camera with that pink sweater. So instead I went ahead and put this on. I got this really cute long dress from Nordstrom Rack. For the settings on my camera, I'm using the actual lens that comes with the camera because I needed it to be in like a bigger frame. So I have it on f5.0, that's the aperture, 180 for the shutter speed, and this is the white balance that I have it on. You can change it. You see how yellow it got, but because I'm in this type of setting, I went ahead and changed it to that. My ISO speed is at 800. Sometimes I do have it at 400, but I want to be really light. But I kind of like this one. This one actually gives me like the true color that I am, but sometimes I can change it. And I had it on 800 because it does look fairly bright. And for your YouTube videos, you do want to look really bright. For my picture style, I do have it on standard. Sometimes I do change it to neutral. But for this, I wanted to go ahead and use standard because it does give it a little bit more of a light. And yeah, y'all, that's the settings that I do keep it on. I'm going to go ahead and record my video. I have my notes here so I know exactly what I'm going to be talking about. My hair is looking all right for the video. So far, so good. So let's go ahead and start, baby. Hi, guys, and welcome back to Vlogmas. My name is Vanessa. If this is your first time here. And today's video is super duper special because it's going to be talking about... All right, let's start over because I didn't like that. Comb my hair. I just finished up my video, so I'm done. So now I'm just coming over here to my camera and I'm going to take a few pictures. So I'm going to move it to on. Alright y'all, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If you are out there and you are going to be starting a channel, I hope that you found this video helpful to you and you're able to go out confidently in it because it's just so simple and easy to start a YouTube channel. We are in this journey together, and if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the description box below. Hit me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook. I'm on all three, and I have listed my information in the description box below. But if there's not anything else, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Mwah.